Hello everyone, a very quick video today. I have bought some new centre caps for my 15-inch Jaguar XJS lattice style alloy wheels. And you can see I've actually fitted one already. I couldn't resist. But yeah, I had these wheels refurbished not too long ago, and I thought I'd treat them to some nice new centre caps. Here is the part number. They are genuine Jaguar ones. I bought them from a company called British Parts here in the UK, and I think they were about £60 for a set of 4. So not too bad. The ones I'm replacing are this style, this kind of black plastic with the gold growler, almost printed logo in the centre. So I've replaced them with these kind of more three-dimensional style. I think they are from a later model Jaguar, possibly an XK8 from the late 90s, early 2000s, something like that. And you can get them all in different colours. They had red ones, I think it was red, green, grey, and this black colour. But I felt this black was the most OEM looking. Here's what they both look like out of the car. That's the new one. It's got kind of 4 tangs. That's the old one. It's got a lot more. It's a bit softer plastic. They do just kind of pry out with a screwdriver. So this is what the wheel looks like without them fitted. That's the grease hub cap in there. So like I said, they just kind of push in and you prise them out. I should have cleaned this wheel first, really, shouldn't I, before showing this, but oh well. Well, they just pop into place. Very easy to fit, and yeah, I'm really happy with those. Look at that, look how smart they look. They're a really nice finishing touch. The old one side by side. I mean, they served quite well, I guess. 35-year-old plastic, but yeah, brilliant. Definitely recommend those. I've given the car a wash, and here's what it looks like in the daylight. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I was a bit unsure that it was kind of too proud compared with the original, but actually, yeah, it looks really good. So these wheels looking quite nice now, I think you'll agree. Let's have a look at the one at the back for comparison. Here's the old one. They do look quite nice actually when they're kind of freshly cleaned like this. Let's take a look at this one. So yeah, there we go. I definitely would recommend these as a very nice finishing touch to your XJS. Here are the 3 badges compared on the bonnet. That's the bonnet badge, the 1989 OEM wheel badge, and the new one. I think these two go really nicely together. Sort of retains the theme in a way. So there we go. Really good. Cheerio.